Hi guys, uh, in our DevOps course we will learn about 5 DevOps tools. We will learn about Maven, then Nexus we will learn, then sonarqube and Tomcat, and after Git and GitHub. Okay, so Maven is a build tool. It is used to build the Java project. Okay, Nexus is a repository, remote repository. We will store all the artifacts in the Nexus repository. sonarqube so using sonarqube tool we will check the uh, when developer develops the any application this using the sonarqube it will check the code quality and any vulnerabilities it will check using sonarqube software. We will see in later classes. Okay, tomcat tomcat is a web server to we will deploy all the artifacts onto tomcat. Okay, today. And github is a source code management tool. Developer will store all the code in the github repository. Okay, we will start with Maven today, guys. So Maven, before Maven we need to understand about Java. Java is a programming language. Java is a programming language. Developers will write the Java programs to develop some software application. Suppose for a company they got Amazon project they got. Suppose developers will write the Java programs. Okay, after that what they will do, they will compile the source code. Whatever the code they are writing, they will compile the source code. The source code will be converted into .class files. Okay, but .class files we can't deploy into the Tomcat servers directly. So this need to be packaged as a jar or war files. Jar means Java archive. War means web archive. See here. Suppose one developer wrote a program welcome.java. Once he compile na, it will come into .class file. It will convert into .class file. It will convert into .class file. After that, what we did using Maven tool, we will package the application into jar or var. If it is a standalone application, it will be packaged as a jar. Standalone means more like developer will develop the applications like calculators. It will run on the single machine. Those applications are called standalone applications. If suppose we are developing an application for like Amazon means it is a web application. Those files will be packaged as a war file. Got it, guys? Standalone applications will be packaged as a jar file, but web applications will be packaged as a war file. Right. Now see what are the build tools available for Java. So Ant is also a build tool, but this is outdated. This is outdated. Right now in the market, Maven and Gradle are the tools. We will discuss about today. We will learn about Maven today. Okay. So what is a Maven? Maven is a build tool. Maven is a build tool. Maven is a build tool. It is a free and open source software provided by the Apache organization. Okay, this is a free software. This was provided by the Apache organization. Maven is developed using Java programming language. It is developed using Java programming language. For what purpose Maven is used? Maven is used to automate the Java build process. Okay, what is that? We will see. So, what we can do using Maven? Using Maven, what we can do? We can create one initial project folder structure using Maven. What we can do? We can create one initial project structure using Maven. We will see in practically this one, guys. Also, what Maven can do? Maven can download the project dependencies using Maven. Using Maven, we can download the project. Sometimes, when developer will write the programming side, they require the dependencies like Spring Boot and Hibernate. These things. These things can be downloaded using the Maven. We will see this point also in practically. Next, what we can do using Maven? Using Maven, we can compile the source code using Maven. So the third point is we can compile the source code using Maven. Next one is also we can compile the unit test cases using JUnit. Okay, okay. Next one is what we can package the Java project as a jar or war file using Maven. I already discussed this one. We can package the once the application is developed, we can package the application as a jar or war file. Okay. See, I already told you we have two types of applications. Those are standalone applications and web applications. Okay. Right now we will set up one environment for our practice purpose in our laptops. What is required for that one? Java 8. Then Apache Maven is required for our practice purpose, for building the application also, and for deploying we require Tomcat server. Today we will see how this to set up the environment in the Windows machine. Okay, let me first run the project, then I'll show you how it will be. So first we will see the how to create a standalone application using Maven. Okay, fine. So see how we identify it is a standalone application or web application. You can see archetype is there. Now archetype is quick start means it is a standalone application. See here archetype again. Archetype is web app means it is a web application. So first we will see how to create a standalone application. Let me copy this one guys and I'll show you. Copy this one and go here and I'm going to Maven practice one folder. Okay, then you have to click on here on the white space here, click here. Okay, after that you need to type cmd. Okay, cmd. After that you have to paste that code. Now I want to artifact is there na, artifact d artifact. Here I want to give something like Snapdeal will give Snapdeal. Okay, Snapdeal I am giving here, right? Snapdeal we give. See what will happen once I give enter na, it will this command will run and here Snapdeal folder will be created. See here in the left side. Just I am giving one enter. See what will happen here. It started. Right now we are creating the project structure guys. See build is success. So what happened here? Snapdeal one project got created. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to go into the project. Once we go into the Snapdeal project, see what is there. This is src means source code will be there in the src. Okay, main means in the main we have like java code will be there in the main. Okay, like this. If I open this one, let me try to open this one. See this is the java code, a sample java code. Okay, this is the java source code is there like this. So what is there in the src folder, we have like source code is there. Okay, let me go here and the next folder is test cases, unit test cases will be there. This folder is for unit test cases, you will see. And what is there, this is for application test cases. These are the test cases guys. We have seen in the source folder what are the things are there. We have source code is there and test cases is there in the src folder. Once we create the project na, format.xml will be created automatically. What is there in the format.xml? Once we see this also. See in the format.xml what will be there? Group ID will be there. See group ID means it is the about company who is developing the application. Suppose some IBM or TCS is doing means they will write like com.tcs. If IBM is doing this project means com.ibm, then they will write the group ID, they will mention there. Next artifact means what is the project name. Project name is which project they are doing, Snapdeal, or else the project module also they can keep here. Also packaging, how they are packaging. This is a standalone application, right? So we mentioned jar file. Okay, next version means snapshot. Snapshot means when the project is under development, they will mention like a snapshot. Right now once the project is developed, they will make it as a release. Right now the project is under development, they will mention the version as a snapshot. Okay guys, we have seen the project structure. Right now what are the things created. Next we will use Maven goals. Maven goals we have like MVN, we have like compile goal. Compile will compile the source code. mvn compile. I think it will give us error. We have to go enter this one second. No? Control C. Because why it got error? No? After creating the project, we have to go into the Snapdeal project. Snapdeal, right? Snapdeal. Okay. Now we are into a Snapdeal project. Now give the Maven goal. First goal is compile. We are compiling the source code. See what will happen once it compile. Na? See here, it created a target folder. Guys, once again I will show you. Next goal is mvn clean. Clean means it will clean and compile the project. Clean and create the target folder. Mvn clean and compile. I am giving once again. Clean means it will delete the target folder and recreate the target folder. Okay, let me do clean mvn clean. What will happen? We'll see. This is a clean goal. Okay, anyhow, mvn see right now target folder is deleted. So when we give mvn clean means it will delete the previous created target folder. Once we run the goal mvn compile, what is happening? It is creating the target folder. See, it will compile the source code and create the target folder here. See, created na. Okay, what is there in the target folder? We have to see na. Okay, like this you see. Next, what will happen? Next you have to do mvn next goal we will do run test goal mvn test. It will run the unit test cases. mvn test goal will do the it will execute the unit test cases. All the unit test cases, see here, test compile, all the things it's executing. See, test build got successful. So what is the next goal? mvn package. Package means it will package the application to jar or war file. Right now our application is a jar standalone application, so it will package the application into jar file. See, mvn package goal. It is running right now. What will create in the target folder? We have to check. See here, Snapdeal -1.0 snapshot got created. Jar file. This is the standalone application, so jar file got created. Like this, we will run the goals, Maven goals. So developer will write the source code and he will push the source code to the GitHub repository. After that, DevOps engineer will run the will build the application. Okay, they will take that application and they will build the application using the Maven goals. We have seen now once again. So right now, no need to execute all the goals. We can execute directly mvn clean package. If you execute the last one, it will execute all the things, compile, test, all the things it will execute automatically. So we will use mvn clean and package. What it will do? mvn clean package, it will clean the previous, it will delete the previous target folder and it will compile the source code. See, compile, it will test the all the unit test cases. After that, what it will do? It will package the application into jar file. Why jar file? This is a standalone application, so it will package the application to jar file, right? So similarly, we will see about how we can create a web application right now. So we will see that one also. Let me go to the document once. So for creating the web application, here archetype should be web app. I told na, for standalone application we are using archetype as a quick start. Okay, here for web application we have to use the archetype as a web app. See, okay, next one. Now we will run one more project, web application project. I will remove some projects here. Okay, let me execute for Amazon. Okay, so how to create a web application using Maven? So we will do for the right now we will execute for the create one Amazon. So I am giving the artifact. The artifact is there now. We have to mention Amazon. What is the project? Amazon project I want to create right now. So archetype should be web app. Okay. Then here you can put which company is doing something. XYZ some company is like some suppose some TCS is doing. Com.tcs will put com.tcs. Okay. Group ID is which company is doing. Artifact ID means which project we are running. Okay. Archetype means web application. So let me run this one. We will create one web application for Amazon. Again go to our Maven practice folder. You create one folder like Maven practice like me, and you come this side. Click here. It will get highlighted like this. Then you type CMD. Enter. Okay. Then you execute the command. Our command. Enter. Here Amazon folder will be created. Amazon project directory will be created. Okay. Once it is successful, na, here Amazon project folder will be created. See, build is successful. Amazon project got created. See here. See, this is the project structure of web application, main and all. Resources and web app like this. In web app we have index.jsp will be there. I will tell you later. So I am going to here again. So this is the pom.xml. We have created now pom.xml just now. We will see this one. See what is the group ID I created now while giving com.tcs. Artifact ID is Amazon. I only given now executing the command. Next packaging means web application. What is the packaging? WAR file. This is version is snapshot 1.0 snapshot. That means project is under development. Okay. Next one. Okay guys. Next what we will do? We will close this pom.xml and we will run the Maven goals. So what we have to do next? Next step is we created the Amazon, right? Amazon project we created. Now we need to execute our goals. What we have to do next step is we need to go into the project, Amazon project. Then we have to execute our goals. MVN clean package is the goal we have to execute. Okay. What it will do? It will compile the source code and it will execute the unit test cases using JUnit. Then it will package. See, it is compiling, it is testing the, then after it is packaging into war file. See, amazon.war file created in the target folder. Like this it will create. So you go and check here. See, if you go into target folder, see amazon.war file got created. Like this we will build the application. Okay. Next. So I will show you how we will deploy also. Right now you just see we will see. I will tell you how to do how to install Tomcat and all. I will tell you later. Right now I am opening that folder. 1 second. The folder is available in my Apache. Tomcat will be there. Apache Tomcat I already Apache Tomcat, right? This one is Apache Tomcat, guys. I already downloaded. I will share with you also. I am going into Tomcat. In the Apache Tomcat, folder structure will be like this, guys. Bin folder we have to go because we need to start the Tomcat first. There is a folder called start start. Don't go this. Don't click on this one. Click on startup. That's it. This is a batch file. Okay. Enter this one. Now Tomcat will be starting. See, Tomcat will be starting. Once it started, now it will give the message like startup, like this. It will come down. Server startup. See, startup. Server startup. Right now, my Tomcat is also running on my laptop machine only. Let me go to the browser, guys. Let me go to the browser. And right now, Tomcat is running on my local host. We have to give, and the port number is 8080 only. Okay, this one. For Tomcat, for deploying any application into Tomcat, we have to give the credentials also. I will show you. Wait 1 second. So for credentials, you have to go to conf folder. Guys, we need to configure the users also. Tomcat users also we have to configure. I will tell you later. Just for today, see how. The username is Tomcat. Password you have to give this one. Just I am copying this password. Tomcat we can enter here. Wait. The username is Tomcat. Okay. Paste the password. Sign in. So this is the home page for deploying any application here. So right now we have built the application. WAR file is ready with us. Let me uninstall some applications are there. Flipkart is there. I will uninstall this one. Okay, our project is Amazon, right? So we have to deploy the WAR file. So for deploying the WAR file, we have to go to WAR file to deploy. So choose file here. Choose file here. We have to go to our Maven practice folder. Our project is Amazon, right? Go to target folder because the WAR file is in the target folder. So click on this WAR file, guys. Then open. See here Amazon.war came. Deploy, we have to click on this. Once we do deploy, click on deploy, it will come on the top Amazon. Just click this one, Amazon. See hello world. Like this we can deploy, we can build the application and we can package it into WAR file and we can deploy it into Tomcat server like this. Okay, so I showed you how to do this one. And for setting you need to do the, you need to install the Java also, and you have to set up the environment variable also. I will show you how to do that one. Let me do quickly. I have Java in my system, right? I need to uninstall that one first. Okay, I will share you. No need to uninstall. I will show you how to create the environment variable. Okay, I will share you that Java, this one also, package also. You have to click on system environment variable. See here, edit system environment variable. You have to go here. So after that you have to click on this one. Okay, then I will show you. Once you install Java, you have to go to C drive, then program files, you have to go and go to Java. One folder will be created Java, and you have to go to JDK 1.8. Don't go for JRE, go for JDK. Okay, click on this one. You have to copy the path here like this. Copy and go to this this path. Okay, then what you have to do, you have to, like this, you have to go to, I am deleting this one. See, I am deleting. Once again I am creating new. You have to click, you have to type Java underscore home. Okay, you have to give the value like this, then okay. After that what you will do, you have to click on path here, path, and edit. You have to click on edit. Once you click on edit, now you will get here. See, again you go to new and you create path there like this, but I already created now. I need to delete this one. I need to create it again. If I delete means delete it. Click on new and paste. We have to give right now /bin also. Path, for path we have to give /bin also. Okay, then click on OK and OK. Then open one command prompt, cmd. Okay, then Java -version. See 1.8, like this we have to create. Also you need to, I will give you one Apache Maven also. You should go and place that file in the C drive, program files. See, Apache Maven. I will give you a zip file. You have to unzip that one and you have to place that file over here. Similarly, how we created the environment variable for Java, you have to go into this one and go into this one and copy this path and paste over there only. Again, system environment variable, you have to go again. System environment variable. See, this one you have to go again. Again, click on this one, environment variables. This next Maven underscore home you have to create it and you have to paste the path like this. I'll show you. See, like this, Maven underscore home you create it and paste it After that again you have to do, click on path also here again, path, click on it and again do the edit also, click on new and paste it, that's it, that path. And at the last you have to put slash bin, see here, like this, Maven, Apache Maven. Okay guys, I have done from my side guys. If you if you want to continue from tomorrow, no, please enroll for the classes guys, so we can go ahead with the remaining tools. Tomorrow I will tell you from for the tomorrow I will tell you for how to do in Linux also. I will tell you how to run the standalone and web application also. I'll tell in tomorrow class. Okay, and we will download some dependencies also. Thank you guys. I'm stopping the session now. If you have any questions, means you can ask.